Hi, let's talk about squats for pregnancy. So most of us, we need to practice squats throughout our entire life, but during pregnancy, we want squatting to be in the body and in the muscle memory so that when we go into labor or we're in transition or to pushing phase, our body already knows what to do in a way that is helpful for the muscles of the pelvis, the pelvic floor, and also to allow the uterus to do its job, which is to contract and wring that baby down through the pelvis. So I like to teach a nice wide stance squat, and your toe position in this instant does not matter. Whatever is accessible to you. Okay, and what we're going to practice doing first is simply getting the weight back into the heels, and then go ahead and come forward again. Come back into the heels, and then move forward on the toes. So we're just going to rock back and forth like that. What we're working for here is waking up the muscles in the back of the body, and that happens when we put weight into the heels. Okay, so we're going to pause into the heels, lift up the toes, spread them out, and plant them back down on the ground. Okay, now if you're like me, I need to have a counterbalance on the front of my body. Some people need to have their arms out to the side. Some people can do this with their arms just hanging. Again, you pick what works for you. Okay, so we're going to come into that squat, and we're going to try to keep ourselves upright and keep the feet fully on the ground with the heels holding the weight. Okay, because we're activating the glutes and the hamstrings and the calves. Those are who should be working for us. And then when we're ready to push up, you're going to push through the heels to activate the glutes, the hamstrings, and the calves. Okay, come on down and come back up. Through the heels, pushing through the heels. Every single time, you're going to notice that at first this feels a little challenging. It may feel a little difficult. That's perfectly average. This is going to take practice. If you need to practice with your back against the wall, please don't hesitate to do that. That's super helpful. Just as long as we're getting that movement started and practicing, eventually you'll be able to come all the way down with no problem. Okay? All right, thank you for joining me, and remember, you always deserve care. Thank you.